Elearning Studio.
Hello children. Today we are going to learn about birds. Animals that have wings and feathers are called birds. Most birds can fly. Let us learn the names of some birds. Pigeon is a very common bird. It is grey, white or brown in color. Swan. A swan is a large aquatic bird closely related to geese and ducks. Sparrow. Sparrow is a small and very cute little bird. Crow. A crow is black in color. It says caw, caw. Woodpecker. A woodpecker has a long beak. Its beak can break wood. Owl is a bird that does not sleep at night. Eagle. An eagle is a large, powerfully built bird of prey with a heavy head and beak. Peacock. A peacock has beautiful feathers. It dances in the rain. Vulture. Vulture is a big bird. It sometimes eats small birds. Ostrich. The ostrich or common ostrich is one of the two species of large flightless birds in Africa. Parrot. Parrot is green in color. It can repeat our words. Hen. A hen lays eggs. Stork. Storks are large, long-legged, long-necked, wading birds with long, stout bills. Duck. Ducks are also called waterfowl.
Please subscribe this channel.